Hello guys. Let's work on this video before the market opens. I'm actually somewhere in town and I don't want video to delay further. Even though it is raining, I'm just trying to make sure I fix this video through. So bear with me if the sound is a bit wonky. So basically we have our MetaTrader, okay, as usual, MetaTrader 4. So once we open our MetaTrader, as usual, we go to our history section, and then we can see my trade. I've already selected my week's trade. If you haven't done that, you can go to the calendar icon over there. When you click on the small calendar here, it should open, and then you select last week. Okay, so these are the trades that we took this week. We have one, two. I won't consider this as part of our trades. When you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just like last week, we took 8 trades, and then we lost 1, 2, 3, and to some extent this one we closed it quite early. So let's say even though we lost 4, we won 4. I think we were in the money. We were positive at the end of the week. Basically, this trade, it hurts me a lot that we lost this trade. This particular trade, we shouldn't have lost it because I wasn't really paying attention. I would have told you to close it a bit earlier and then taking a reverse signal, which is buy, and then we would have made money on that. But that is fine. It's all part of it. That's why we set stop loss. When I opened this trade, it was after 5 p.m. and I talked to you about 5 p.m. My goal was that around by 5 a.m. in the morning we should be able to exit that trade, or see the next signal, but I overslept. So it moved straight to stop loss, but that is fine. Okay, and these were solid trades. We don't care about the wins. That's what we are doing anyway. We don't care about the wins. This was a trade that I moved the stop loss to break even. This was a trade that I tried to modify the stop loss, modify the take profit to make more, but it's reversed a bit, so I lost a bit. But if you took the trade exactly what I did, you also make it about $15. Okay, I made a mistake over here, and then this trade, you didn't take this trade. I made a mistake and entered the wrong lot size, so I just made it move quickly into profit and I closed it. Same as this one, so these trades won't count for you. Okay, so on Friday was a very difficult market to trade. We lost this on Friday, we lost this on Friday, we lost it on Friday. So all our losses for the week, solid losses for the week, came on Friday, which was very sad and disappointing, but it is fine. Basically, Friday, let's see what happened on Friday. Euro USD, this is the chart. You can see that the market was ranging throughout. When you look at the H4 chart, we had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 4 is 24. So the entire 24 hours, the market never moved anywhere. It moved in alternating candles of reversal, various reversal. So you can see a bullish candle, a bearish candle, a bullish candle, a bearish candle, a bullish candle, a bearish candle, which was very hard. If you are a trader and you are trading like we trade, some things like this is very hard to trade, and that is why we lost so much on Friday, because the market wasn't going anywhere. When you come to a lower time frame like H1, you can see some movement over here, but still it was just a ranging market. Okay, when it happens like this, only scalpers make money. The market has no direction. Mostly the market is supposed to have direction, or mostly it has direction anyway. You can see there is a movement here that we can capture value of. There is a movement here that we can capture value of. There is a movement here that we can capture value of, and then there is some ranging markets here, which shouldn't last long. Mostly, actually, the market ranges 70% of the time and trends 30% of the time. Your goal as a trader is not to lose your money when the market is ranging. Look at the daily candle. It didn't go anywhere. It opened at 47. when you look at the price over here, it's open at 18477 and it closed at 39. So just under 10 pips difference from opening to close. So it made Friday very difficult to trade. That is why we lost some money on Friday. Okay, this is a special account. Let me tell you this. This is a special account that I deposited $300 to trade with for the trades I post on your on my platform. I have specially segregated part of my account so that we see how far we can go. I can track my progress. I take other trades on my other accounts. Okay, but for this particular platform that I'm with you, I have committed $300. I'm up $20 or something. It was actually 290 something, but I'm up to, $20 so far. If not for Friday, we would have been up about I think let's see 17. We would have been up $44 or I think something like that for the week. But Friday happened and then we lost some $30 or $35. Okay, but still, if you took the trade, all the trade that I took, that means you make some money about $10, which is 1% of our $1,000 account. Okay, so we still made money. As a trader, your goal is to protect your money. If you protect your money, if you manage your losses, if you manage your risk, profit will take care of itself. Even though we had a very difficult Friday, at the end of the day, we are still positive. 90% of traders lose 90% of their capital in 90 days. So if we have been able to survive almost a month, or we are going to the third week actually, and we haven't made lost money, we are better than most traders who are on the market. So we are up 1%. Last week we were up 2%. Today, this week we are up 1%, making 3%. My goal is that we should make 5% to 20% a month, and so far we haven't we are 3%, which is very hard, considering we are in the final week. We are going to the final week, and then we need to make at least 2% to reach our goal. If we don't, we haven't lost money, and that is fine. So this trade, we shouldn't have lost it, this is a very disappointing trade for me. But the rest is part of the market. It's part of the market. Okay, there are some two trades that I didn't take, even though my system gave me a signal. I didn't take them because I wasn't paying attention. But we would have been even more in the money. So, like I said before, it's either you take all the signals or you don't take any of them. If you take all of them, it will help you. If you take some of them, it will not help you. If you are taking only the Friday signals because you realize that, oh, Tuesdays and Thursdays they were making money, that means and you did, but you didn't take, and you came to take Friday signal, you would have lost money. Okay, so take all the signals that I provide or take none of them. Basically, that is it. So for those who knows about trading, this is the end of the review. If you don't know much about trading, pay for the new members, I want to talk about something else. And if you are not new to trading, you can just end the video here. Okay, all right. Now we have something we call correlation for the new members. Correlation means comparing two things that moves in a particular direction in a particular characteristic. We have positive correlation to say that if this one is moving up, if this one is moving up and this one is also moving up, they are said to have positive correlation. If this one is moving up and this one is moving down, they have negative correlation. Now, if you are a trader, one of the tools that you need is to understand the correlation of the pairs that you are trading. You may be taking some trades, you think you are diversifying, but you are just taking on more risk because the results will be the same. For instance, if you are trading Euro USD, okay, Euro USD, if you buy Euro USD, and then you think that, okay, I'm risking 1% of my capital here, and then you go and buy Euro JPY, and then buy, Okay, I'm risking 1% on my capital here. No, that's not what you're doing. They are similar. They move in a particular way, in the same way. So you are taking on more risk. Now let's look at the chart for Euro USD. Look at the chart. Okay, pay attention. And then look at the H4 chart also. Pay attention. Now let's look at Euro JPY. Look at the charts. Look at the daily chart also. They are virtually the same. Okay, look at the Euro USD daily charts. It has been ranging all over. Okay, and it ended with a bearish candle. Okay, look at the Euro JPY. It has been ranging and then it ended with a bearish candle. Okay, the previous day was bullish. The previous day was a blue. The last day was a bearish candle, which is red. Look, when you look at Euro USD, the previous day was a blue, the last day was a red. So if you trade these two pairs at the same time, you are taking on more risk. If you risk 1% here and you think you are diversifying, so you are going to risk another percent here, you are doing the same thing. You are taking on more risk. So don't trade correlated pairs. When now we have negative correlation. If this one is moving up, this one is moving down. Again, a pair like Euro USD, it moves the opposite way of Euro USD CHF. If this one is going up, this one will be coming down. Okay, so if you are a trader and you are saying, okay, what if your system gives you a buy signal here, if your system gives you a buy signal here, it is possible, it is highly possible that your system will give you a sell signal here. Okay, because they are negatively correlated. If this one is going up, this pair is coming down. So don't take trades here and then don't take a trade here and then take another trade here and thinking you are diversifying. No, you are just taking on more risk. Okay, so basically that is it about correlation. Some currencies have similar characteristics. If you see USD JPY to also have the same characteristics as the way Euro USD and then USD CHF works. So my point is that if you are trading, don't take all the signals that you see, because you may be taking on more risk. Understand that if you are trading correlated pairs, you may think you are risking 1% on a trade, 1% on a trade, but in actual effect you are risking 2%, because if you buy here and then you sell here, if this one is losing, this one too will lose. Okay, if this one is gaining, this one too will gain. So you are not making it, you are not doing anything special. Okay, so let's look at the chart. Euro US, the daily chart. The previous, on Thursday we have a blue candle, but on a Friday we have a red candle. Now let's look at USD CHF, the daily chart. On Thursday we have a red candle, on Friday we have a blue candle, opposite. Okay, so be careful how you trade correlated pairs. Don't take on too much risk. It doesn't help you. It will actually cause you to lose money. If you need more information on that, just read on um just Google forex correlation and then you understand more. Okay, so right now we will not trade a lot of pairs, but we will increase our risk to maybe 3%, fine, but don't take too much risk. If you risk too much, you are damaging your funds. Okay, now I have, like I said, I've allocated $300 to this particular projects I'm going on with you, and I'm up a little bit, $320. I want to see how far I can go with the channels I provide, with the signals I provide with you guys. If I'm losing money, you will lose money. If I'm making money too, you will make money. So stick with me. I'm trading with a real account. I will make sure to do my best. And then if you start with us at this point, you want to trade with a real account, go ahead and trade with a real account. By the way, if you open I know at least two people who are trading with a live account because they speak to me in private. If you are trading with a live account, and you register with my referral link, just make me aware. Okay, I just want to put some people together. Maybe I'll provide additional benefits for them. Like I said, those who use my referral link, just make me aware. If you are trading a live account and you are not even using my referral link, make me aware also. I want to know how much progress I'm making with you guys. So contact me in private if you are trading with a real account. I think that'll be all for this video. I hope you have a great week ahead. Okay, have a good day.